This is the largest bottled water plant on Earth. Every single minute, it produces bottled water for an entire city. Once bottled water production starts here, it never stops. One failure inside this plant wastes millions of water bottles instantly. And everything here begins with drinking water. But not just any water. This is water made for bottling. This bottled water starts deep underground. Pumped directly into massive purification systems. First, large impurities are removed from the water. Then carbon filters refine the bottled drinking water. Next comes reverse osmosis purification. Only pure water molecules make it through. UV light sterilizes the bottled water completely. Bottled water quality is monitored every second. This water exceeds bottled water safety standards. If water quality drops, the entire bottling line stops. Now the water is ready for bottling. But the water bottles don't exist yet. They're created seconds before being filled with water. Everything here is synchronized for bottled water production. Bottled water bottles begin as tiny plastic pellets. They're heated and shaped specifically for bottled water. These are called bottled water bottle preforms. They're still hot and completely sterile. AIR pressure forms the bottled water bottles. A bottle is created in just milliseconds. No human hands ever touch the water bottles. Everything stays contamination-free. The empty bottles move instantly. Straight toward the bottled water filling line. Timing here must be absolutely perfect. Even a tiny delay can disrupt bottled water production. Now the fastest part of bottling begins. The bottled water filling system activates. And the speed becomes insane. Thousands of bottled water bottles are filled every minute. Each bottle is filled with purified drinking water. Not a single drop of water is wasted. The bottles are sealed immediately. Caps are locked in place within milliseconds. Every bottled water seal is inspected. Any imperfect bottle is rejected instantly. Only perfect bottled water continues forward. Labels are applied at full speed. Every label is aligned perfectly. AI systems visually inspect each water bottle. These machines never blink. Every bottled water bottle is tracked digitally. From water source to final shipment. Now the bottled water is ready for packing. Robots pack bottled water non-stop. Each case is stacked with perfect precision. Speed matters at this scale. Humans could never keep up with this. And bottled water never stops moving. The bottled water enters massive automated warehouses. Every pallet is tracked in real time.
Ensures precise tracking from intake to shipping, minimizing errors and optimizing flow.
Storage happens at incredible speed. Global orders arrive non-stop.
What about the Georgia convoy? We have a delay near Atlanta.
Reroute them immediately. We can't afford spoilage.
Trucks are loaded automatically. Day and night, bottled water ships out. This bottled water travels around the world. Across cities. Across countries.
All right, bill of lading and manifest checked. Everything seems in order.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Across
Manifest
continents.
confirmed. Clear the container.
Copy that.
All right, shifting into gear. Destination, Central Hub.
All from this single plant. Millions of bottled water bottles every day. Most people never see this process. They just open the bottle. And drink the water in seconds. But behind every bottle is engineering perfection. Speed, precision, control. All working non-stop. This is bottled water at maximum scale.